Hi everybody, Chris Bradley with your Weather Geek Report here for Wednesday. Looks like showers and storms will roll back into Ohio. Of course, yesterday we had all that hail, particularly in the Galloway, Grove City, Obetz area. We could see a repeat with some severe weather. We'll give you the layout here, beginning first with our severe weather outlook for today. You can see we've got storms back across Iowa, through parts of Missouri into Illinois, and even the risk for some severe weather here with that slight risk from the Storm Prediction Center. Notice if you come right into southwest Ohio, the marginal risk, it's pretty low. I really think most of the activity here today is going to be right back in this area here. And that's where, in fact, we have a severe thunderstorm watch out. And actually make that a tornado watch across parts of Iowa, Illinois, Kansas, and Missouri. So that's what's happening here today. What about tomorrow? Will these storms move into our area? Well, right now it looks like the threat has been diminished for tomorrow. We were under what's called a marginal risk, which means there could be some borderline strong to severe storms across the area. Well, that now has dropped back to just generalized thunderstorms. You can see the Storm Prediction Center has now kind of carved away at that and has moved the general line south of the Ohio River. I'm still going to keep an eye on things here. There's a chance we could get some severe weather into our area. We'll monitor the Storm Prediction Center. You just kind of be prepared for that. But you do want to count on some rain, and let's give you the timeline. First tonight, this is 8 p.m., so I think most of the showers remain west of Cincinnati, even west of Indianapolis. As we head into the overnight, we start to see some of this rain approaching our area. And here we are at midnight. We've got showers coming up into Columbus. There are some thunderstorms down around the Cincinnati area, but they should be weakening given the fact it's so late at night. But there is going to be some rain. There could even be a little thunder and lightning. And it looks like there could be some showers on top of us tomorrow morning for the drive into work and school. So we call that inconvenient weather. You call it kind of a headache for driving. It's this area right here that's right on top of us. And so you want to check in with Mike on 10 TV. He'll have the latest look at live Doppler 10 radar, but just kind of allow a little extra time. Nothing severe expected here, just general rain and maybe some embedded thunderstorms. All right, as we look at the surface maps here, beginning with Thursday, showers and storms are likely. And the reason is we have a broad area of low pressure right over the Ohio River Valley. Best chance of storms will be with the heating of the day, I think primarily south of Columbus, based on where that low pressure system is. But again, something even could sneak up into the Columbus metro area. As we look ahead to Friday, we're going to see that move out. There may be a few leftover showers early, but I think skies will start to clear out. So you come home from work on a Friday night, you have plans, maybe you want to get outside, weather looks to cooperate. Great weather for Saturday, and I'm happy to report that is the Cap City Half Marathon. Temperature is going to be pretty comfortable. We're going to be starting in the morning Saturday with temperatures in the upper 40s. So I think when the race begins, we'll probably be around 50 to 55 degrees, and we'll look for high temperatures climbing up into the upper 60s, lower 70s, maybe 70, 71 degrees for the eventual high. You can see high pressure here across parts of Pennsylvania, keeping it clear across Ohio, Indiana, and southern Michigan as well. But that's only half the weekend. The other half of the weekend looks kind of rainy. Here's a peek at Sunday's weather. That is an area of low pressure, again, moving across Ohio. And you see this whole area here from basically Ohio through Indiana, Illinois, down into Missouri, and heading all the way down to the Gulf states, has that risk for showers and storms. And there could be some severe weather south of the area on the day Sunday. Then as we look ahead to the start of the work week next week, I think that starts to move away. We have high pressure building in, but keep this in mind, that high is going to be bringing down some slightly cooler air. So, yep, it's going to be clear across the area, but temperatures will be just below average, not the real warm 70s and 80s we've seen here for several days here the past 2 weeks. We'll keep you updated on the changing weather. My Weather Geek Report drops first thing in the morning at 7 a.m. and 4 p.m. weekdays.